If you cook rice often, you're sure to appreciate the convenience of a rice cooker. After all, the best rice cookers will cook perfectly fluffy rice with each use, so you'll never have to worry. The advantage of a rice cooker is perfectly cooked rice that you don't have to watch. It is a total set it and forget approach to rice. Once the rice is cooked, it stays warm, so it is one less thing to worry about when preparing a meal. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 rice cookers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Zojirushi NHS 063 3-cup, uncooked, rice cooker. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is the best rice cooker if you're looking for a compact, simple style. While it doesn't have many bells and whistles, programmable settings, or lots of timer functions, it'll cook up to 3 cups of uncooked rice with ease. Once you measure the rice in liquid, the one-touch rice cooker will cook the rice to perfection. Once the cooking is complete, an automatic stay warm feature remains on for up to 5 hours. Stay cool handles and lid top make it safe to move and open. While the cord is not retractable, it is detachable for even easier storage. Product details. Dimensions: 7.5 by 9.1 by 7.5 inches. Capacity: 3 cups uncooked. Care: hand wash only. Number of settings: none. Why you should get it. The simple cooker has a 5-hour stay warm feature. Keep in mind, there are no settings or steam options. Number 2. Zojirushi NSZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Cooker. This rice cooker is a bit more expensive than others, but the large capacity and host of features make it the best rice cooker to invest in. Plus, this rice cooker has multiple settings, so you'll be able to prepare just about any type of rice. With this rice cooker, you'll be able to choose from 8 settings: white, regular/sushi, softer or harder, mixed, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick cooking. Plus, it features fuzzy technology, which means the rice cooker will make adjustments to the heating time and temperature as a cooker. Once cooking time is complete, there's an automatic keep warm setting along with an extended keep warm setting and an automatic reheating cycle. It's worth noting, however, that this unit doesn't feature a steamer basket. Plus, some parts are hand wash only, which adds an extra step after cooking. Capacity: 5.5 cups uncooked. Care: hand wash only. Number of settings: 8. Number 3. Zojirushi NPHCC10XH Induction Heating System Rice Cooker. Rice aficionados will appreciate the induction heating technology that makes this machine one of the best rice cookers. The rice cooker comes with a spatula holder, and measuring cup and features delayed timing, so you can set the rice to be ready whenever you want it. Induction heating results in a precise and even heat source as the heat warms the whole pot and therefore cooks the rice from all sides. The result is perfectly cooked, fluffy rice that won't stick to the bottom of the bowl or gets overcooked. Like other rice cookers, this is truly a set and forget machine. Although it's a bit of an investment, the multi-setting menu cooks all types of rice, like jasmine, porridge, sushi, and much more. A keep warm setting and easy to read LCD control panel are intuitive and simple to use as well. Product details. Dimensions: 10 by 14 by 8 inches. Capacity: 5.5 cups uncooked. Number 4. Progressive microwavable rice and pasta cooker. For a non-electric option, this Prep Solutions option is the best rice cooker. As opposed to typical styles, this unit will cook your rice, pasta, or vegetables in the microwave. The set comes with a plastic pot, locking lid, measuring cups, rice spoon, and steaming insert. To make rice, all you have to do is follow the included guide for the right measurements of uncooked rice and liquid. Then, all you have to do is set the locks on the bowl and put it in the microwave for the appropriate amount of time. While this innovative style is certainly different from other rice cookers, cooking time may vary based on your microwave strength and settings. It's also worth noting that unlike some other styles, this pick isn't programmable, so it requires a bit more work than other options. Dimensions: 10.75 by 6.5 by 9 inches. Capacity: 4 cups uncooked. Care: dishwasher safe. Number of settings: none. Number 5. Cuckoo CR0655F Mycom Rice Cooker. This Cuckoo style is the best rice cooker if you prefer a unit with tons of flexibility. In addition to manual settings, the rice cooker has 11 preset modes, so you can prep your rice however you see fit. Some of the preset modes on this rice cooker include baby food, porridge, white rice, and steam. The steam setting allows you to cook up some veggies, but keep in mind that unlike some other styles, there's no steamer basket, so all the cooking has to be done in the main bowl. Reviewers praise the attractive look, easy-to-use buttons, large capacity, and affordable price tag. The one drawback is the lack of a steamer basket that some other multi-purpose cookers have, but those often come with a higher price tag, less reliable features, and a bigger footprint. Dimensions: 8.6 by 9.4 by 13 inches, capacity, 6 cups uncooked, care, hand wash, number of settings, 11. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.